It is Monday morning. Your GitLab dashboard has 47 open issues, 12 merge requests waiting for review, 3 failed pipelines, and none of them are yours. Before you write a single line of code, you have already lost 2 hours. That is not a productivity problem. It is a structural problem. And we built SPECTER to fix it. One button, one click. SPECTER's demo mode fires a live scripted sequence. An issue gets triaged, a fix MR spins up, and SPECTER reviews it too. Same pipeline, real AI, no human in the loop. SPECTER is a fully autonomous DevOps agent built on the GitLab Duo agent platform. It monitors your GitLab project in real time and takes action on every significant event, automatically. When a new issue is opened, SPECTER reads it, assigns severity labels, and posts a structured triage analysis in seconds. When a merge request comes in, it performs a diff-aware code review and delivers a clear approve or request changes recommendation. When a pipeline breaks, it diagnoses the root cause and posts a remediation plan directly on the job. Automatically, sequentially, in one session. The architecture behind SPECTER is what makes it production-ready rather than just a prototype. We borrowed the entity component system pattern from game engine design, the same pattern that powers real-time rendering in modern games. This is part of our novel Ghost Engine Prime design philosophy and development framework. Every GitLab event becomes an entity. Structured data, issue body, diff content, pipeline logs, attaches as typed components. Specialized systems process each entity, translate the payload, invoke Claude, execute the GitLab action. Adding support for a new event type takes 15 minutes. 0 changes to existing code. This is what extensibility looks like at production scale. The market case is straightforward. McKinsey estimates AI-driven developer productivity improvements could unlock $2 to $4 trillion in enterprise value annually. GitLab has more than 40 million registered users and 10,000 enterprise customers. If SPECTER saves even 2 hours per developer per week across just 1% of that base, that is 800,000 developer hours recovered every week. SPECTER does not just help developers move faster. It makes GitLab the platform where projects think, not just host. SPECTER is live right now on Google Cloud Run. The dashboard is publicly accessible. The code is open source on GitHub. You can clone it, run it in Docker in under 15 minutes, and point it at your own GitLab project. The build, measure, learn loop has already closed once. SPECTER works. The question now is how far it scales. SPECTER, trademark and copyright 2026. Hoopla, Hoorah, all rights reserved. SPECTER and Ghost Engine Prime are trademarks of Hoopla, Hoorah.